High returns, low risk, the best investment choices for retirement in 2025. Planning for retirement in today's unpredictable economy calls for more than just caution, it requires smart, steady choices. With inflation and market swings, retirees want safe places to grow their money without taking big risks. The best low-risk, high-return investments offer the perfect balance, steady income and capital safety. Get free Gold IRA Guide and learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Click the link below in the description to get it. Here are 10 top options in 2025 that help you protect and grow your retirement savings. 1. High-yield savings accounts, offered mostly by online banks. These accounts now pay higher interest than in years past. They're FDIC-insured and offer easy access to funds. Return, 3.5% to 5.0% APY. Risk, very low. 2. Certificates of deposit, CDs. CDs offer fixed interest over a set term. A laddering strategy lets you take advantage of rising rates without locking up all your money. Return, 4.0% to 5.2%. Risk, very low. 3. Treasury Inflation-Protected Securities, TIPS, backed by the U.S. government. These bonds adjust with inflation, helping preserve buying power. Return, 2.0% to 3.5% plus inflation. Risk, very low. 4. Municipal bonds, issued by local governments. These offer tax-free income with low risk, especially AAA rated ones. Return, 3.0% to 5.0%, tax-exempt. Risk, low. 5. Dividend-paying blue-chip stocks, stable companies that pay regular dividends offer both income and long-term growth. Return, 4.0% to 6.5%. Risk, moderate. 6. Real estate investment trusts, REITs. REITs give access to real estate income without owning property. Logistics and healthcare REITs look strong in 2025. Return, 5.5% to 8.0%. Risk, moderate. 7. Fixed indexed annuities, tied to stock market indexes but with guaranteed minimums, good for steady income and protection. Return, 4.0% to 7.0%. Risk, low. 8. Target date funds, 2025 to 2030. These adjust automatically towards safer investments as you near retirement. Return, 3.5% to 6.0%. Risk, moderate low. 9. Peer-to-peer lending, through trusted platforms. Peer-to-peer loans can bring strong returns with moderate risk when properly researched. Return, 6.0% to 9.0%. Risk, moderate. 10. Gold IRA investment, Gold IRAs protect against inflation and market swings. Ideal for long-term safety and diversification. Return, varies, based on gold prices. Risk, low to moderate. Retirement in 2025 demands a balanced approach. Combine traditional options like CDs and bonds with alternatives like REITs and Gold IRAs to keep your future safe and growing. Free Gold IRA Guide. Learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Download your free Gold IRA Guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.